Hey Duane, my name is Brandon, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers for your business. Now, most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this, and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I do read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And I found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free, it's resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, you know what, I like what you're doing, Brandon. Please do this for me. So, if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard, you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business out. Go ahead and shoot me a message and we can sit down and chat. Otherwise, if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan that I'm giving you, go ahead and just take it and run with it. And again, these are some great tools you can use to really help to get your site ranked. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right in. First thing that we want to focus on is going to be content. As far as Google is concerned, to be optimized, you want to have at least 1,500 words on that homepage. Um, Looking through your site, I think you guys have roughly about 400 words. And then I went ahead and just pulled up one of your competitors here for web hosting. X Mission is going to be the number one competitor in the area. They've got a little bit more than you. They've got about 500 words on their homepage, or excuse me, on the page that is ranking for hosting. So that's definitely something that's easily beatable. Um, and I'm sure you're well aware of this because of the business that you're in. But obviously, the reason that content is important on that homepage is because people are searching on Google every day for different keywords, and the more content we have on there, the more likely that they are to search for one of our keywords. And obviously, once they get to our site, then we have an opportunity to bring them in as a client, and that's what we all want. So that is why that's the most basic reason why it's so important to have content on our sites. So that's going to be the first thing you want to focus on is your content. Second thing we want to hit on is what's called citations. Um, and I don't know about you, but whenever I'm searching on Google, whenever I'm searching for a keyword, if it's in the area and there are businesses that are looking for it, or excuse me, that are ranking for it, then oftentimes you're going to get this Google Map Pack. And you and I both know that this is gold to get into that map pack. And you may be asking, how do I do that? Well, let me go ahead and jump right in and tell you. So basically what it comes down to is these citations, which are your name, your address, and your phone number in different directories throughout the internet. Directories such as Yelp or Yext or Yellow Pages or even Facebook. All these different directories, getting your name, your address, your phone number out there is going to be key to helping you to rank and get into that Google Map Pack. And one free tool that we use is called Whitespark. You can look this up, and basically you can see uh, where you rank locally as far as number of citations, which looks like you've got 7 there for your business, and then your competitor's got 72. Um, so again, like I said, those citations are what are going to help you to rank to get into that Google Map Pack. And this is a great resource that you can use to kind of keep track of where you're at as you add those citations. So that's going to be number 2 you want to focus on is those citations. Finally is link juice or backlinks. I don't know if you use this tool that we use called Ahrefs or not, but it's a great tool to be able to um, give you a kind of a dashboard of where you're looking at. It looks like you've got about 1.5K of backlinks. I'm sure you know, but basically backlinks are super important in getting ranked and being able to move up on Google. They're going to be, just as a quick Refresher, basically a backlink is going to be the link from site A to site B that is going to give authority back to your site, so that Google sees that and recognizes it and helps you to rank higher on their search engine. Now, obviously, not all backlinks are created equally. So if you've got a quality backlink, for example, from another IT blog or something like that that's referring to you, that's going to look really good as Google crawls you, crawls your site, and that's going to help you to increase your ranking. On the other hand, we've got other backlinks such as like just random spammy links. Say for example, if you've got a link from Pizza Hut, that's not going uh, to rank well for you. That's actually going to drop your ranking on Google because they see that and they say, you know what, Pizza Hut is not related to DuaneBenson.net. So that's actually going to lower your ranking. So backlinks are super important. We want quantity and quality, but we really want quality. We've got your competitor here. For this hosting page, they've only got 210 backlinks, um, but my guess is that they're really good quality backlinks, and that's what's helping them to rank on Google, as opposed to just having quantity. So that's going to be super important. So again, let's just real quick do a quick recap. First thing you want to focus on is going to be that content on your homepage. At least 1,500 words to be optimized for Google. We actually also suggest having 500 to 700 words on any of your service or back pages, and that's going to help those pages to also rank, which is going to be important for the overall site. Secondly is going to be those citations to help you get into that Google Map Pack. And again, you can use WhiteSpark to be able to see where you're sitting at and where you need to go to be able to move forward and really be at your competition. We actually suggest having at least 200 to 300 citations to really kind of blow your competition out of the water. So that's number two. And then finally is going to be those backlinks. Again, quantity as well as quality, but we really do want the quality backlinks because that's going to help to really move you up on Google's boards. So if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'd love to talk. If you'd like some help implementing this into your site, definitely, we can sit down and come up with an action plan. Otherwise, just go ahead and take these three free steps and just kind of start to implement them. These are great tools that are going to help you to really start to move up the boards with Google. Other than that, it's great to talk to you. Thanks so much, Duane, and have a good evening.